I'm with Runaway Girl. Ano namang inaabangan mo sa upcoming Klook Travel Fest?
Ikaw ang inaabangan ko.
Guys, if marami kayong upcoming travels at kailangan nyo ng maraming discounts and deals, I got you. Hi everyone, this is Jel and keep wandering with me dito sa Klook Travel Fest launch. Klook Travel Fest is just around the corner, happening on October 10 to 12 from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. at the SM Mall of Asia main atrium. What can you expect sa event na to? All-day freebies, more than 10,000 coupon savings, early flash deal drops, multiple photo booth areas, exciting giveaways from our partners, plus travel tips from your favorite travel creators. And syempre, ako personally inaabangan ko talaga ang discounts from our amazing partners. Buy 3 Hong Kong Disneyland tickets and get 3,000 off. Buy 1 get 1 Bana Hills and Fancy Pan tickets. 50% off on Manday Wildlife Reserve. Best rates up to 50% off on local hotels and activities. Up to 20% off on hotels. 15% off naman sa activities for all destinations using Maya. 15% off site-wide using BDO. And big surprise from Klook and GCash kasi 0% installment via GGives and up to 10% off on local and trending destinations. Lahat ng to pwede ninyong mabook during Klook Travel Fest and get amazing deals. I am the girl who travels, my friend. Anong nilulook forward mo sa upcoming Klook Travel Fest?
Of course, the buy 1 get 1 deals kasi sobrang makakatipid kayo, especially if you're traveling with your family and friends.
Yeah. I am with Casey Goes To. Anong dapat nating abangan sa Klook Travel Fest?
Friends, maraming influencers ang magto-talk about their experiences sa mga past travels nila. So, abangan nyo yun. And marami kayong makukuhang tips doon for sure. Especially sa mga experiences nila, mga tips kung paano mag-travel sa mga gantong lugar. So, see you there!
See you there! I'm with Ron, Trav Healing. So, anong nilulook forward mo sa upcoming Klook Travel Fest?
Yung mga, budol, like mga 50% off, tsaka mga buy 1, get 1. Yan yung mga hot deals na exclusive lang during the event.
I'm with Runaway Girl. Ano namang inaabangan mo sa upcoming Klook Travel Fest?
Ikaw ang inaabangan ko.
Hindi ako magtatak eh. Pero meron po akong intermission number, so abangan nyo
Abangan
yan.
nyo.
Ano pa?
Mga deals, syempre. And of course, yung mga travel creators, mga tips nila.
Make sure to sign up now to get your free tickets. Sign up link ay ilalagay ko sa description, comment section, ilalagay ko na rin sa bio. Again, it's free and see you sa Klook Travel Fest.